Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you guys how to copy the price numbers of these items um, on my right book that I have right here. So let's say for example that you guys have a grocery store and you wanna copy and paste the price of every item number of every item that you guys have right here. So in order to do this, we're gonna do this without using the copy and paste method. So a faster way of doing it is just using the V formula. So we're gonna do this by typing equal, then we're gonna type V lookup, then after we type V lookup, we're gonna click on the item number that we want the price. So in this case it's gonna be 2761, so we're gonna click on it. After we click on it, we're just gonna type comma. Now the next thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna select our range where um, we want the item number to look for. So we're gonna select all of this. Once you select the range, we're just gonna let it go, and we're gonna type comma again. And so we type comma, we're gonna select where we're gonna type 3, and the reason why we type in 3 is because the column where the price is in number 3, so it's just gonna be A, B, which is 2, and C is the third one. So now after we type 3, we're just gonna type comma again, and we're gonna type false. After we type false, we're just gonna close the parentheses, and we're gonna click enter. Now as you can see guys, the price matches with whatever we have on the left. So 5 and 5 right here. So let's say that the price is just gonna be 2, so you don't have to copy and paste, or you have to just type 2 right here and it changes on the right side. Now we're gonna do another example for the water bottle. So we're gonna use the same formula, but in this case we're gonna modify some of the things. So we're gonna type equal again, then we're gonna type V lookup, and after we type V lookup, instead of selecting the item number, we're gonna select the water bottle, the name of the item, and we're gonna type comma, and after we type comma, we're gonna select a range. Notice that with time that we're gonna select, notice that in this, notice that this time selecting just the column V and C, so you guys can have a different idea so how it's gonna look now. So before, in the previous example that we did before, I selected the 3 columns, but in this time I'm just gonna select the 2 of it, so you guys can see the difference when I do it with 2 columns. So now we're gonna type comma, and instead of putting 3 for my third column where we want the price, I'm just gonna type 2, and the reason I'm typing 2 is because I'm just using 2 columns, number 1 and number 2. So now after typing number 2, we're just gonna type comma again, and we're just gonna type false. We're gonna close it, and we're gonna hit enter again. Now as you can see guys, we have the price number matching the one on the left. Now for this formula, we don't have to do the same thing for the other ones like every time. We can do a faster way by hovering on the column, like the bottom on the right, and you're gonna see a cross, a black cross, and we're just gonna click on it, and we're just gonna drag it down. And as you can see, guys, the numbers have changed to the numbers from the right matches the one on the left, and we can modify any of the numbers that we have here. So we can type 5, it changes to 5. Um, and that's pretty much it. We're gonna do different. We can do another example right here with Monday. We can click VLOOKUP, then we type we're gonna click on Monday, and we're gonna type comma, and we're gonna select a range, then we're gonna type comma again, and we're gonna type 2 because I selected two columns and it's number 2, and then we're gonna type comma, and then we're gonna type false, and then we're gonna close the parenthesis, and we're gonna hit enter, and we got the same number matching the one on our left. And this is for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and subscribe.